Good afternoon, traders. The market is now closed, I think. Should be closed now. Because it was still ticking away here and it was past 5 o'clock. I don't know what the fuck that was, but... And now it seems to have stopped. Oh no, it's still ticking away. I don't know why. Today's Friday, it's 5 o'clock. Oh. No, it closes at 5, not 6. I don't fucking know why it's ticking away. But anyways, let's check out the trades for today. We sure did have a rip right up there today. XRP and Bitcoin just ripped it, baby. Ripped it. And I'm long on both of them. So I'm happy about that. I haven't done any videos all this week. My freaking PSW, personal support worker, okay, that comes here twice a day, soon to be 1 time a day. Their fucking government's cutting us out. But anyway, I send her upstairs to check my fucking mail, you know, and she fucking somehow, like, she didn't bring the keys back and put them up on my little hook by the door. And they're fucking gone. I'm going, what the fuck? And I remember, like, walking, well, trying to walk anyways, into the mailroom with her. I checked my mail. I put my key in there, pulled it out, and I put the fucking keys in my shorts, in my pocket. And that was that. And then I came back upstairs in the elevator and, you know, and sat down on the couch where I've been sitting for fucking months now. Because I can't walk too good. Anyway. I didn't know what the fuck happened to my keys. So anyway, the next day, I get a call from my PSW. You know, the one that helped me to go check the mail. She calls me and says, oh, what kind of car do you drive? I said a Toyota, and she fucking goes, oh, I think I have your keys, and she's laughing. Dipsy doo-doo. What a dipsy ditwit. But anyway, I don't think she'll ever listen to this video. If she does, well, she knows what I think of her losing my keys. But anyway, so I got the keys back. Yeah, I got the fucking keys back. She put them... Somehow I gave them to her, back to her again after I put them in my pocket. I don't remember doing that. I must have did it when we come to my apartment door. Because it's kind of hard. There's like tension on the spring that closes the apartment door. It's kind of hard for me to open the door, hold on to my walker, you know, balance, not fall down, do all these fucking things like I'm a fucking, you know, a clown at the fucking carnival. So anyway, she must have passed them to me then, or I passed them to her then, and she went into the apartment. Anyway, I got all stressed out. I had my keys lost to my car, the keys lost to my mailbox, the keys lost to my apartment. Anyway, I got them fucking back. And I just didn't feel like doing the setups for the rest of the week, sorry to say. But I'm going to do some for you today. Why not, eh? So we had a high and a higher high. Remember I've been telling you about the higher highs, to look for higher highs and lower highs and double tops and double bottoms? I've told you. It's fucking simple as ABC. I'm telling you, just look for higher highs. You can't go wrong. It's just so easy. See, and then on down here, you look for lower lows. Higher highs right up here, boom here, lower lows. So then we would have sold it on the retrace right there, boom, and down it goes. So let's see, what was that trade worth? We got to measure them out here. So right here, maximum profit potential, 309 points, okay? From entry to the bottom of the wick. Not that you would have got 307 points or 309 points, but you would have got something in here, okay? Yeah, you would have got some profit. Okay, I'm getting a little bit of a head rush here. I'm talking too fast here. Sorry about that. But I am recovering from strokes to the brain, okay? I had 3 fucking strokes in my brain. So anyway, so there it is, 307. So then we have, let me just remove that now. Okay, we have a low and a lower low. Remember higher highs? And you remember lower lows. Yeah. So fucking simple. It's just so fucking simple and easy to see it. Okay, and right here. There it is. Boom, boom, out go the lights. Could have made a fortune here today. I know the market was moving up big time. You know, the XRP and Bitcoin were moving good. So anyway, 2 nice winners right here. A sell here and a buy right back, all the way back up. And then we keep coming over here at this, you know, end of this lighter gray shade here, this box. That was 12 o'clock lunchtime. Okay. And we even had another trade. Let me show you. Let me show you. We've got a double bottom, basically. Don't need to count this in there. Okay. And, oh, where do I have that? Yeah, just like that. Boom. See? Buy in there and up we go. Very simple to see it. That's all I look for is I look for lower lows and higher highs with the divergence. Now, what about other type of trades? Let me show you. Let me show you some other trades. So say there's no divergence here. There's no, you know, major technical setup here. Okay. So what I then look for is the 5 to be below the 7. Okay. And I wait for a candle to run down like this one. Okay. And then another candle to run back up. And right there, once it retraces, that's where you sell it. Right there. Boom. Right here again, too. See this one here? It was a buy fake. So it came up to here. Once it starts coming back down again, you sell it in here, and boom, down it goes. Same thing over here. And the opposite, now that the 5 is above the 7, not below, we look for a candle that closes lower, and we buy the next candle, and up it goes. That's what I look for. There's all my setups, right? Is divergence and inside the moving averages setups. And that's how you will make oodles of oodles. Oodles of noodles. You'll make it. I'm telling you. Okay, let's keep coming this way. So we had, you know, like, what do we have up here? Basically a double top here. Boom. See right here? Yeah, double top. And it comes down like that. Boom. Sell it near right here where the yellow line is, and boom, down it goes, 179 points. Potential to the bottom, okay? Then up here, what did we have? Well, we had higher highs, just like that. And on the indicator down here, we had lower lows, which is divergent. So you would have sold it right here at the gold line, just like you did over here at the gold line, and down it fucking goes. All the way down here. And then back up it goes. So you definitely had a lot of beautiful trades today if you look for them like how I look for them. If there's no divergence, you look between the moving averages for a pullback or a rally up, a rip up, and then you sell it, you buy it or you sell it. And it's the same thing over here. And, you know, like I've been trading a quarter of a fucking century, okay? I know what I'm talking about. And conceited here. I'm sharing some good shit with you. Like, there's thousands of traders that could come and watch my videos, but they don't for whatever reason. And it doesn't bother me, but they're fucking missing out. That's all I can tell you. And then there's a dedicated few, you know, between, I don't know, 20 and 30 people who keep coming back because they know what they see is something fucking good. So anyway, I've been staring at these charts since May, the first week in May 2001. Quarter of a fucking century, almost, okay? 24 years, man. I've been doing this. Yes, my mind is gone a little bit, you know, the memory and everything from the strokes. But you can see I can still dish it out to you. And what I'm talking to you makes total sense. It's not gibberish. It's not bullshit. It's good shit. If you just take your time and put on moving averages like I have a 7 EMA and I have a 5 EMA. Okay? And one is staggered, as you can see. But anyway, and that's it. You just you just follow the moving averages. Price is always coming in and out of the moving averages, and that's where it is. See how the moving averages stay with the price all the way down, or all the way up, yeah, or all the way down, or all the way up, all the way down. That lets you follow the brick road, the gold brick road. Okay? And if you apply what I just said to you, higher highs, lower lows, those are your trades, plus your inside trades, inside in between the moving averages, like right here. If the 5's above the 7, you're looking to buy it. You're waiting for a retrace, a candle to close lower, and then you buy it and fucking up it goes. It's that simple. I'm telling you, it's fucking simple. So don't be shy and trade this. Trade what I'm teaching you here today. Listen to my video again. Watch what I'm showing you. I'm telling you, you can make fucking oodles of points with it if you do it right. Okay, let's stop the video. Have yourself a great weekend. Good luck and good trading.